Alrighty, welcome back to the how to make a San Andreas multiplayer server. I know it's a while ago, but I was bored, so I wanna continue with it. And I'm in the exams anyway. However, I'm just gonna do it. Just do it. Alright, so part 12 filter scripts. No, we're not gonna do that. Fuck that. I wanna make and explain how to make a countdown. Now, you know a countdown that counts down? Yeah, no shit. I mean, the we have to use a timer for that and a comment. We're going to create like a dynamic countdown that you can use how much seconds you can count from. So first of all, we need a counter that counts down for us. New, new counter is 0. No, wait, just new counter. And then we have to go to a comment section. I don't know where it's a while ago I opened this script, damn it. Comments. Timers per year. Comments, yes. So, we're going to make a comment. Named countdown. Player ID. Params. Just like normally. Oh, false. No, wrong, I mean. There. Return 1 to confirm it. Now, a countdown. I'm going to use game text for displaying the countdown on player screen. So the comment. We're going to use parameters, so we're going to use string scan format for that. Yeah, it's pro, so just use it. Okay, now countdown parameter. We want to do something like countdown 5, and that will count down from 5 to 0, or from 5 to go, or whatever. Now, the parameter needs to be stored in a local variable, so we're going to create that, and new seconds. Then we have to check the parameters, so with string scan format, if string scan format the params, yes, and then we have to the format. Seconds are not big numbers. Well, you can do big numbers, but then you have to wait like 5,000 seconds or something if you want to do that. No, you're not going to do that. Just decimal, small number, and the the parameter has to be stored in seconds. If that returns true, that means they didn't have that means that the player doesn't have a parameter in their comment. So we're going to return send client message player ID and color red, because yeah, color red. Then we're going to say the usage. The usage is countdown, and then seconds. There. So when the script comes here, they have a parameter. Now we're going to have, let's first of all create our timer. So we have our variable counter. If we say like, um, wait, let's do here timers publics. So forward countdown. Yeah, we're going to call it like that, countdown. We don't have to pass any parameters yet. Maybe I change my mind. Count down. There we go. The brackets. God. And then, so a countdown that goes down. And we have our counter that counts for us. So we need minus minus. It's count down. Now, when we this is just gonna do -1. But then again, if the script comes here under the counter, it just stops. We need to continue our countdown. So we're going to set a timer, set timer again of our countdown. We're going to call ourselves with 1 second, of course, and we're not gonna repeat it because it just have to do it again and again. Then it just gonna not repeating it. Okay, so this is counting down already. But now, let me think. So that's alright. Now we have to do a check if it's 0. So if counter is 0, then it's finished. Then we have to do return null, 0, I mean. And this have to do return 1. Well, you understand, when we do return 0, it doesn't do this anymore. So it just go out the public. So if the counter is 0, then we're going to print, yes, print countdown is done. Simple and nice. Actually, just a send client message to all. Send client message to all. And color, what color should we? Color green. Yeah, why not? The countdown is done. Now we can do like, just for testing, I'm going to create a new string because we have to format it. String of 8, it doesn't have to be big because it just have to show the number. So format string size of string, and then our number decimal and our counter, because that's our counter that counts down for us. And then we're going to send client message to all, color gray, if I have that, and then our string with our counter in it. So it creates a new string of 8 bytes, no bit, just 8 length. If the counter is 0, it will send a client message to everyone in the server saying countdown is done. If it doesn't do that, if it's not 0, it will format a new string with our counter in it as a decimal. And then we're going to send our counter to everyone in the color gray. And then we're going to -1. So we're going to damn it. You know what I mean. Counter minus minus is, as I said, it was the same like counter equals counter -1 and other things. And so yes, if the counter is for example 5 and it comes into our public, so counter is not 5, so it's not going to do this. So it will display 5 and send 5 to everyone in the server, and then it's going to be 4. So after this line, the counter is 4. And then we're going to call ourselves within 1 second, because yes, that's normal. So, and before we're going to go here again, our counter was 4, counter is not 0, and yeah, you know what's going to happen. Again here, it shows 3, then it's 2 again, then it's going to call ourselves 2, 1, and then it's 0, then it comes here, it sends it sends the message to everyone in the server, and then it breaks. Then it stops because the countdown is done. Now, this should work already, but now our comment. We have our seconds parameter, but yeah, we should call this public, right? Well, we're going to do that, of course. There. But we missed something here. Our counter is 0. Our count, yes, like we have declared the variable here. New counter is 0. Well, we don't want to do that. We want to be the counter to be the seconds what we typed in. So we're just gonna do counter equals seconds. Oh damn. Well, seconds. And then it's going to call our countdown. If you compile that, no errors. And now we can actually do here 6 seconds is 0. Yes. Um, that should work. So I oh damn. Sorry for that. Um, so we have to test this now. Let's see if this works. Let's go to some client. Not sure if it's already in. No, we don't need to send. Yeah, well, of course we need to start a server, of course. I'm repeating myself. Pleo Max. Oh yes. Our last tutorial was creating a text world. Okay, now let's see. Let's go into our server and test this awesome script. Yeah. I'm going to change the send client message afterwards, but it's just for testing now. Oh, I picked wrong name, but oh whatever. And we are here. We have a beautiful nightstick, and now we have a beautiful shotgun. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Let's test our comment. Countdown. Enter. Oops. That was, yes. So we didn't add a parameter, so it says usage countdown seconds. Now we know that our that our comment needs a parameter. So let's try countdown. Five, no, three, 2, 1. Countdown is done. See, it works already. And now, what? Why did the text roll disappear? Oh wow, didn't even notice. Okay, so that works. Let's try something else. Countdown. Count. I was thinking about seconds. I'm saying countdown, but I'm typing seconds. Damn it, brain. Countdown. 10. 10. 9. 8. See, it works, right? It's kind of dynamic countdown. You can choose whatever, how much seconds you can. Now let's go back. Oh, what? No, yes. Now, we want to display this on the player screen. So we have to edit our public. We're going to delete this. And we're going to search for something. Let's go to our wiki, our useful SAMP wiki page, scripting. And let's go to game text. I'm just gonna search this game text. Let's see here. Okay, this is what we need. Yes, this is what we need. So we have to choose a style. Let's 0 is fine, 1 is not, 2 is ugly, 3 is weird, 4 is the same, 5 is white, and 6 is just above our head. Let's do type 5. Yes, let's do type 5. So, game text. Not for only the player, but for everyone. So just for all. Then let's see the parameters. Our string, well, we have that already. String. Time. Well, for 1 second, we have to show it to the player. And our style 5. That should do already. Now you can customize this whatever, however you are. You can add colors. Let's if the counter is 0, for example, we can show the player game text for all. We can't give it a color. So actually, if yes, so for 1 second and style 5. And we're going to use the green. If I remember, I have this above. Yes, here. G is green, you can either use other colors or even a new line. But now I'm going to use green and then go. This can be gone already. Um, yeah, that's it actually. And our other seconds will be red, for example. And yeah, as I said, you can customize it whoever you are. I'm not going to do much things here, but let's test this. Server. There we go. Testing it already. Connecting. Yes, this screen, this awesome screen. Full HD. And we are connected. We are in the server. Yes, just spawn already. We have a nice stick in our hand. Fuck you all. Okay, let's try. Countdown. Does this still work? Yes, it still needs a parameter. Too bad. Countdown. 8. Go. Now, as you see, this works perfectly. Let's try something else. Let's wait a minute. No? There. Okay. I don't know why. Shit. So as you saw with the 8 seconds, every second is red except the green. Except the 0 because it says go, and it is green as we have defined it in the script. Now this we made a dynamic, actually yes, a dynamic countdown for everyone. I'm going to repeat myself again. As I said, you can customize it however you are. You can add player sounds to it, like a race countdown sounds. Go. Yeah. So I think we are ready here. This was a little example of how to create a countdown. So maybe before I leave you guys, I'm going to create a past. Yes, I'm going to create a past with this script in it, so you don't have to type it over. Let's do that. How to create a sump server, and this is the script. It's spawn, it's public. There you go. Now you have it. I'm going to post the link in the description. So yes, that's it for today. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.